Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Hubex on Postman. In this video, we will guide you through the payment processing service of Hubex, which utilizes the Stripe API. To get started, click on the Run in Postman button. This will redirect you to the Postman collection that our team has developed. Up next, you will need to create a fork so you can utilize various Hubex services on Postman. Once you have created a fork, insert the link and the API key provided in your welcome email to gain access to Hubex's services. Now, navigate to the payment collection and proceed to create a Stripe configuration. In order to call the Stripe API, please enter the API key you received upon subscribing to Stripe. As this tutorial is for training purposes only, we have omitted the API key in this video. However, you can easily obtain it by subscribing to Stripe. Hubex provides code snippets in various programming languages, including JavaScript, Curl, and Python. For this demonstration, we will proceed with Curl. Please copy the code snippet provided in Postman and execute it in your backend. Hubex handles all the heavy lifting, making it effortless for you to execute the code snippet and integrate with our payment processing service. We hope that you found this guide useful and easy to follow.